Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired, it's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing.
We found this really cool spot on the sand. It's kind of like a little Latino bar. But it's not really a bar because it's right next to the sand. Let me just show you. How cool is this place? And there's like a view of the Eiffel Tower there. And yeah, everyone's just sitting and chilling here. Pretty cool. Good morning. It is now, I think, like close to 5 maybe. After the raclette last night, we both had very bad tummies, I think because we overate on the cheese. Anyways, I was so tired because we landed last night, yesterday from Newcastle, so I slept for like 12 hours. So I woke up around 2:30. So yeah, so I'm going to a boulangerie nearby to get some sandwiches, and maybe I'll drop by a cook place. The plan is we are going to picnic next to the Eiffel Tower tonight for dinner. So we are going to bring food, and yeah.
On the roof, it's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh,
I didn't find anything that I liked at the boulangerie, so I'm walking to this Chinese restaurant to get takeaway, and I hope it'll be good. I haven't had Chinese food in like a month, so yeah. So I'm right now in the 13th district, Trezian, and it is the kind of like Chinatown kind of area, and yeah, there's a lot of like Asian restaurants and Asian people. There's the alley here. How cool is that? But I don't think I'm gonna get anything because of the cheese last night. I think it's better to stay out this for a while. I found this place on Google, has pretty good reviews, so I think I might order something from here. I ordered vegetables with rice. That auntie and uncle was super nice. They were speaking in Cantonese, so I ordered in Cantonese as well, in pretty bad Cantonese, but they understood me, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, food is sorted. Desserts are also sorted. And now I just gotta get back, and then we'll make our way to the Eiffel Tower.
I can stay inside and tap away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Hey, woo, na na neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. 'Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make a today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Yeah. Na, 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 na.
Morning. We are at Pompidou today. So before we go in, we are stopping by Starbucks. Well, actually, it's for his cousin, Sid's cousin. I'm not gonna get anything, even though I'm kind of thirsty, but maybe later. And yeah, it's my first time at Pompidou, and let's see what's inside. It's sunny, but it's also a little cold today. It's like 16. But now when I'm standing under the sun, it's kind of hot. So. For dinner, we are eating at this place called La Terrace d'Italie. So we chose this place because they were showing the Champions League final, which is Liverpool versus Real Madrid, and they are going to show the match, so we are going to eat here. It took us a really long time to find a dinner place because all the restaurants are booked out, all the bars are booked out because of the game. So luckily we found this place, which is also not too far from where we are. So yay! So yeah, I'm not so hungry yet, but let's go. So it looks like the game has been delayed to 9:36. It's 9:20 now, and I'm not so hungry yet. I ordered chicken wings because I'm not too hungry yet, so just a little light snack for now, and maybe I'll order some food. Going to the cinema today to watch Doctor Strange, and we are walking through the Parc de Bercy, and a little cool. Oh, look at those pretty pink roses. The cinema here is so cool. They have like Skittles and M&Ms and Haribos. It's awesome. I'm going to get popcorn though.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away.